This is Oscar Yildiz from Lara International Incorporated. We have Speedy 400s. We have the oldest one is around 5 years old now. We have around like 13 of them right now. We do cut like the wood products or like an acrylic sheets, but we also like engrave on like powdered materials like aluminum or like the steel. The Trotec, they keep the maintenance really good, so whenever there's a problem, we just give them a call and the technician right in the office in the next day, which is very convenient because we are working with the customers, which there's a deadlines on the products, so that machine has to run, and the Trotec was really good about it. Like, I think Trotec is really the best brand to go with the laser engraving or laser cutting. They have great customer service, they have really nice technicians, they just come into your office next day or the day later, so which is really convenient. When you start the business, there is always stuff go wrong and you need help, so the Trotec gives that help, which is very important.